Hey guys, Mr. Short here. This is the third week of class. This is the week of August 31st, and we're going to go ahead and get started with this week's module. If you have not completed all assignments for August 24th module, and actually August 17th is closed out, but if I will give you to the end of today, which is going to be Monday, to complete all of your module problem-solving modules, August 24th. If they're not completed by the end of the day, that's the longest I can give you. It's the longest extension I can give you guys. You guys have had a week to complete that. But this week we're going to be starting to talk about what is a computer. Okay, there's 4 components that make up a computer that we're going to cover over the next 2 weeks. This week we're going to be talking about the first 2 components of a computer, which is input and output. Okay, so what you're going to do, the first thing I'm going to have you do this week is a journal entry, a very simple journal entry, just to get you guys thinking. I want to see what you guys think a computer is. And I'll give you a little hint. A computer is more than just your Chromebook or the big old style computers you still see sitting on some teacher's desk or in computer labs, okay? There's a lot more that goes into a computer than just those things. So what you're going to do, you're going to click your submit assignment button, and I want you to give me a good 4 or 5 sentences just telling me the different types of computers. Okay, in your own words, tell me what a computer is. Then you're going to submit that. Our objectives for this week. You're going to be able to identify a computer as a machine that processes information. You're going to be able to identify the inputs and outputs of common computing devices. And you're going to be able to select the inputs and outputs used to perform common computing tasks. All right, so the first thing you're going to do after you look at your objectives, you're going to watch this brief video. It's not a very long video, but it's from code.org, and it's going to go into telling you the things that make up a computer. And you'll quickly see when you're watching this video that it's more than just a laptop. It's more than just a computer that you would see sitting in a computer lab. Then you're going to go on your first assignment. Is going to be another code.org video, but this was a little longer and it goes into more detail about the different components that help make a computer work. Okay, and what you're going to do, you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to click submit assignment up here, and it's going to open up a text box. You're going to use the text box to tell me the 4 things that you learn in this video that make up a computer. I also want you to explain what each one of those parts do. Okay, you can watch the video as many times as you need to watch it to answer those questions. So when you're answering those questions in the text box, I need you to tell me the 4 components that make up a computer and what each one of those components do. All right, so we got some vocabulary this week. Okay, our first vocabulary word is computer. Okay, we're going to define that as a device that processes information. It's a very simple definition, but it's true. A computer is a device that processes information. Then we have input. Input is a device or component that allows information to be given to a computer. Now, let's think about this. What are some ways that we can give information to a computer? Okay, there's several different ways. If you're talking about something like a laptop or your Chromebooks, okay, how do you put information into the computer? You can type on a keyboard, okay? A keyboard is an input device. You can use the video camera to record yourself, okay? So that's also an input device. A microphone is an input device. Now let's talk about an output. An output is any device or component that receives information from a computer. Okay? What receives information from a computer? If you need to print something out, you're going to use your computer to send whatever you need to print out to the printer. So a printer is an output device. The speakers on a computer are also an output device because they take sound from the computer generates, and they output it. Okay, so the speakers are an output device. So be thinking about this week, the different types of input and output devices that are part of a computer. All right, so we have another assignment here. How do you use a computer? Okay, people use computers and phones to do a lot of different things. What is the most important thing that you use a computer or phone to do? Why is that more important than anything else that you do with a computer or a phone? Think about that. If you like your cell phone or your Chromebook, I would hope your Chromebook, the answer to that may be your schoolwork. But if you're talking about your phone, I don't know what the most important thing you do with your phone is. To me, I don't know if it's the most important, but one of the important things that I do with my phone is my alarm is on my phone. And if I didn't, get up by that alarm every morning, it'd be difficult to get my day started. So I would say, I don't know if that's the most important, but that's definitely one of the most important things that I use my phone for every day is my alarm clock. I also use my phone to use the calendar inside of my phone to kind of keep up with what's going on from a day-to-day basis. So those are a couple things besides, the things you would think of. Normally you would think of texting or talking or social media, using your phones by that. Those are the obvious things that a lot of people use their phones for. But there's some different things that's very important that we also use our phone for, like our alarms and calendars and things like that. So what you're going to do, you're going to answer that. You're going to click the submit assignment, and you're going to put your answer, type your answer into the text box. Okay, that response needs to be at least 100 words. Okay, that's not a whole lot, but it's a little bit more than your typical journal entry. Okay, so that response needs to be at least 100 words. All right, and here's your computer history assignment. So we're going to go to BrainPop for this assignment this week. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to, you're going to watch the video at this link right here. So you're going to click this link. It says BrainPop Computer History. You're going to click this link. And I'm already signed in, but what it'll ask you to log in, okay? And you're going to use the username Brawley Middle. We're using this username from another school. Brawley Middle is the username, all lowercase, and the password is Braves, all lowercase. And it's going to ask you whenever you click on this link, you're going to put that in there, okay? So when you get there, okay, you're going to watch this video here. You're going to click play right here. It's about 5.5 minutes. You're going to watch that video. Okay, once you watch that video, you'll come down here and you'll click related reading right here. And it'll bring you to related reading. Another thing you can do, instead of clicking that link there, you can just click related reading right here after the video. And the third thing you're going to do is you're going to take a quiz. There's a quiz here. You would click this link here to go directly to the quiz, and this link's actually going to take you right to the quiz, and I want you to click graded. So you're going to click the graded quiz. When you click graded quiz, and I'll just click it for you and show you, and I'm just going to click A on all of them just to get through here real quick. And obviously those are not going to be the right answers, but I want to show you what I'm looking for you to submit. Okay, there's 10 questions. All right, so I got 1 out of 10. So I got a 10%. I did not do very good because I just clicked A on all of them. This screen right here is what I want you to screenshot and submit to me in the submit assignment box. Okay, I want you to screenshot this right here where it says you got a whatever out of 10. I'm hoping it's going to be a 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is what I need you to send me. So you're going to screenshot that. And I actually put a video right here at the bottom of this assignment. You can watch this video, and it will show you how to screenshot from a Chromebook and upload to Canvas. Okay, so again, after you take the quiz, you're going to need to screenshot this right here with your results. Okay, and then you're going to click Submit Assignment after you screenshot it, and you're going to upload that submission to me. Okay, and that is going to be our assignments for the week. Again, this is August 31st, and we're talking about what is a computer. Okay, this week, like I said, there's 4 parts that make up a computer: input, output, process, and storage. And if you're paying attention right there and you're still watching this video close to the 10-minute mark, I just gave you the answers to one of your assignments this week. But those are the 4 components that make up a computer. And this week, we're going to talk about the first 2. input and output. Okay, and next week, September 7th, we will talk about the other two components that make up a computer. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And as always, make sure that you are on our Google Meet on Wednesday from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Remember, if you haven't got your August 24th assignments done, you got till tomorrow, or I'm sorry, till today, the end of the day today, August 31st, Monday, August 31st, to get those done. At that point, I can't extend that deadline any longer. So get those assignments from last module completed today. All right, I hope you guys have a great week, and if you need me for anything, just shoot me an email. All right, talk to you later. Bye.